Rachel, and today I'll be performing a BB Glow Mesotherapy facial. The first step is to prepare the skin by cleansing off any makeup. We'll then move on to the exfoliation process, which is going to be a blend of alpha hydroxy acids. We'll then move on to neutralise the skin using a foam neutraliser. This will stop the acids working on the skin. We'll then apply the BB Glow ampulate to the skin, also known as Meso Foundation. We have 3 colours of this foundation. They contain active ingredients used for whitening and anti-aging. We'll then begin the microneedling process, also known as dermapen. This is used to stimulate the skin and produce more collagen. This creates microchannels to allow the active ingredients to penetrate deeper into the skin. A soothing mask is then massaged into the skin. This will calm the skin and reduce redness. We'll then remove the mask and apply some soothing cream. If uneven skin tone and aging is your concern, contact us at Butterfly Effect Salon.